Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to vote kick yourself in CSGO. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now start with, if you want to go on your settings and go in this game tab here and select game here or so and look for this bit enable and developer console. If you're new to the game, this will automatically be set to no. So what you can do is you can switch this to yes and you can jump back in your game. From here, I click whatever key you have to open your console and you just want to type in status. Now this gives you quite a bit of information, but all we really need is this number 21 down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in call vote space kick and then we will just want to paste in that number. The next one, as you can see on the left hand side, you can kick me because I'm the admin. If you're in a normal competitive lobby or a match where you won't be hosting it, that command would actually work and you'll be able to do that. So if you're in competitive match and not on the server that hosted by yourself, that will actually work and you can successfully kick yourself in the game. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.